Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up Substack. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Substack. Now, open the first website and you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, click on the Create Your Substack button and you will be prompted to create an account. Simply enter your email address, click on Continue, and then enter your name, bio, and description on the next step. After that, click on Continue and your account will be created. Once you are on this page, click on the profile icon at top right corner of your screen and select Home. Here, a bunch of notes of other people will be displayed and you can interact with them. But if you go to the left side menu and click on plus icon, you will be able to create your own note that you will be able to share with everyone. In order to create a brand new Substack, click on your profile icon at bottom left corner of your screen and then select Create Substack. Now, enter your email, click on Continue, and you are good to go. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.